How to make a brochure in Canva from your phone. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First you gotta open Canva and wait for the app to fully load up. Once it does, tap on the search box at the top of the screen right here and simply search for brochure. Lots of results will show up to you. Some of them are paid and some are free. I'm going to choose a free one, so I just tap on the one I like. Once it fully loads up, tap on the picture to replace it. By tapping again on replace at the bottom right here, it will take you to your gallery, so choose a picture from your local storage right there, tap on it, and it will be replaced just like that. You can tap on any text as well to edit it by tapping on edit at the bottom right here and writing the text that you want instead. And once you're satisfied with your brochure, tap in the top right corner and then tap on download, and then set the format, tap on download to save the whole brochure. Wait for a couple of seconds, just like that, the brochure will be in your gallery. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching.